Hello and welcome to the 15th episode of the Saturday Showdown by Accumax. For today's contest, we have Kunal Shah and Tirath Doshi, both from product team, going head to head for the thrilling challenge. Today's contest is more about speed and accuracy. Here we are going to give them a bunch of consumables mixed and assorted, wherein the participants will be asked to cap, assemble as much as products which is possible in speed. Whoever is able to assemble more caps of the products along with the tips in the tip racks is going to be winner of this contest. Here are the rules on your screen. So Kunal and Tirath, welcome to the show. Today's showdown is all about speed and precision. Each of you will be handed with the Accumax consumables, as you can see. Your challenge is to identify all matching components, pair and assemble them correctly. Fill the tip racks correctly with the compatible tips, as many as fast as possible. The assembly, whatever assembly is incorrect or assembled loosely, will not be considered. Make sure about this, right? Are you guys ready? Start. Yeah, good. You can keep it anywhere.
Come on, Kunal. Find it.
Nice.
Fast.
Need to be fast. 3. Going head to head. Good going.
Good.
Tight grips only.
Fast. 30 seconds already. Fast.
Shabash. Good going. Let's see if you guys reach to the tips. How much time is remaining?
25 seconds already. Quickly.
We are there.
Tips. We are remaining with tips. Fast. 5 seconds.
Yeah.
3 seconds. 1 second. Stop.
Go. Yep. So it was an exciting contest between Tirath and Kunal. It was very close. Let's go there and count where we are. So I could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 components along with the tips. 8 of them which are not kept. While with Kunal, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So Kunal wins the contest with the margin of 2 more caps than Tirath. So yeah, congratulations to you, Kunal. So Kunal, this goes for you. Thank you for participating in this contest. Thank you. Thank you for watching this episode of the Saturday Showdown by Accumax. If you wish to participate with your friends or colleagues, do write us on a below given email ID and we'll just try to feature you in one of the next episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Want to know more about any of the products which are used in this video, you can log on to our website and check for more details. Stay tuned. Thank you.